Hello friends, I'm Dr. Shruti Patil, dermatologist and your skincare expert. In this video, I'll tell you all about sunscreens, which are the most crucial and essential component of our daily skin routine. So sunscreen protect us from ultraviolet A light, ultraviolet B light, infrared light, visible light, as well as from the blue light which comes from the television screen, laptops, as well as from your phones, which causes equal amount of damage. So what damage all of these light causes to your skin? First, UVA light, which causes fine line, wrinkles, breakdown of collagen, tanning, age spots, sunspots, then melasma or pigmentation, as well as visible light, blue light and infrared light also causes all of this. Secondly, UVB light, which is majorly responsible for the skin cancer and sunburn. The incidence of skin cancer in Indian skin is very less because we have a lot of melanin. So when you go to buy a sunscreen, opt for a sunscreen which has both UVA and UVB protection. So how do you know if your particular sunscreen you are using has the both UVA and UVB protection? So for UVB, you have to look for the SPF value, that is the sun protection factor, which is the unit or measure we look for the UVB light. So you can use a SPF of 30 or 20 on a daily basis, but unless and until you have to work outdoor, like if you are on a beach, or if you are working such that you have to be on field all the time, or if you have dark spots or melasma, then opt for a sunscreen of SPF 50. But on day-to-day basis, 20 or 30 SPF is more than enough. And there is a myth about SPF that more the SPF containing sunscreen you use, the more effective is your sunscreen, or you are more protected from the sunlight. But that is not the fact. The SPF of 50 and 100, there is very little difference between these two. But yes, there is a lot of difference between SPF 20 and 50, but SPF 50 is almost as effective as SPF 100. So you can do with the SPF 50 itself. So when your bottle says SPF 20, 30 or 50, then you are fully protected from the UVB light. Now what about UVA light? The unit for UVA light is PA value. So look at the sunscreen. If it says PA3 plus or PA4 plus, then it is great. So always look at the PA value, especially as the Indian skin. We need to look at the PA value to see that the sunscreen is adequately protecting us from the UVA light. Now, any good sunscreen, however expensive it may be, will only last for 2 to 3 hours. So you need to apply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours, and always apply your sunscreen 20 minutes before going out in sun. If you are swimming, if you are sweating, or if you have gotten wet in rain, then you need to reapply your sunscreen. For swimming, we have water-based, water-resistant and waterproof sunscreen, but even the best water-resistant and waterproof sunscreen will only last for 45 minutes in water. So if you are swimming more than 45 minutes, then you need to get out of the water and reapply your sunscreen. Then the 70% of UVA light penetrates through glass and also passes through the clouds. So if you are traveling through cars, or if you are even indoors, or if it's a cloudy day, you still have to use your sunscreen. Now, how much sunscreen you should apply? It is the teaspoon unit. For the face, you need half a teaspoon of sunscreen, and that goes for the neck as well, and for each arm you need 1 teaspoon each. And that's the adequate amount of sunscreen you should apply for effective benefit. Now coming to the types of sunscreen. Those days are gone when we had greasy and sticky sunscreen. Now we have a very nice sunscreen with nanoparticles and which are also water based. So if you have acne prone skin, then you can use water based or gel based sunscreen, and if you have dry skin, then you can use cream based sunscreen. There are also tinted sunscreens where there is no need to apply foundation. You can just apply a tinted sunscreen and just a loose powder, and that's enough. So guys, this was all about sunscreens. I hope this was useful for you. Still, if you have any queries, feel free to ask, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay beautiful.